Hello there, friends. Welcome back to this kitchen rendezvous. In today's lovelies, I am going to show you how to make the best delicious Haitian traditional soup Joumou. Pumpkin soup or squash soup, guys. Please stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, you know I love you guys for watching and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start doing this amazing, delicious Haitian traditional soup Joumou. Okay, lovelies, to begin, those are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using, such as I'll be using turkey neck. This is my preference because my husband do not eat any other meat, but you are welcome to use any meat of your choice. Let me tell you guys a quick story about Haitian Independence Day, which is January 1st. Every first of the year is Haitian Independence Day. This story, guys, everyone should know about this little island of mine, beautiful country Haiti. In January 1st, 1804, Haiti made history by being the first black republic in the world and the first country in the Western Hemisphere to abolish slavery. Yes, Haitians free of slavery. And yes, lovely, this is why every new year is double for us. We see a new year, and more importantly, it was a freedom from slavery. Because of that victory, we follow our tradition soup Joumou, or pumpkin soup, to celebrate our Independence Day that made history for the Haitians people. Happy Independence Day, my beautiful Haitians people, and Happy New Year to you all, my friends, my YouTube friends. Happy New Year. Be safe, be blessed, and please, guys, share this video for me. Help this kitchen grow this channel. Without you, this channel will not go anywhere. Thank you so much. As always, you know I love you guys for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. May God bless you. Stay safe and be loving. Okay, guys, you already see what I did. I show you all the ingredients. Now I am marinating my turkey neck. Like I said earlier, you can use any meat of your choice. And I already put my pumpkin squash to boil, or you can use butternut squash or cabbazo squash, any type of squash to make that beautiful soup. And now I am adding my turkey neck to boil. I am going to steam it on low heat for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna start adding my veggies, guys. Now I am adding the one large potato that I chopped and my half of the turnip roots. Now I'm adding my celery and my green onions. You can also add scallion or leeks if you have to. Now I did have a little bit of hot water. I just pour at least half a cup to 1 cup, let it kind of simmer a little bit, and then now I am going to blend my squash to make the puree, and then we are going to strain it to make this beautiful and delicious Haitian pumpkin soup Joumou, guys. Guys, a quick tip: when you're boiling the butternut squash or any squash, make sure you add enough water just to blend it together, because you're gonna use the same water, the same liquid that you boil it, to blend it as well, okay? Because this type of soup tends to be very thick. That's why you need some hot water aside, just to add a little bit to make sure it's very consistent, or how you really liked it to be. I don't like mine too watery or too thick, just the way you see it right there, guys. Now adding 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, because guys, I do not use Maggi anymore. It's been a few months. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Adobo seasoning and the remaining of the sazon packet, and 1 extra packet of salad and vegetable seasoning. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to add fresh thyme, parsley, and cilantro tied up together, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I also add 1 habanero pepper poked with cloves. Guys, add salt to your liking. Please double check your food and double check your taste. Now adding the green cabbage, guys, and the dandelion greens that I showed you earlier. We call this green Lòzeille. It tastes exactly the same way as the one back in Haiti, but I find this one, my mom told me it's Lòzeille, and I use it. It was amazing, guys. And yes, guys, this is a Haitian traditional soup Joumou. Finally, I'm gonna be adding my pasta, which is the macaroni, and a little bit of spaghetti. I add the macaroni and the spaghetti last because you don't want them to cook too much. That's why when the soup is ready, and then you add your pasta and the spaghetti. Let them cook for at least 5 minutes or so. Then your soup Joumou, the Haitian traditional soup Joumou, is ready to serve. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, you know I love you guys for watching. Happy Haitian Independence Day and Happy New Year to you all. Until then, lovelies, be blessed, be safe, and be happy. And I'll see you guys back in my next video. Bye.